So the last section of the chapter on developing a literacy ministry is talking about multiplying yourself.
Yeah.
So we talked earlier about how you don't want to do this on your own. You need to multiply yourself. So what are the ways that you guys have trained teachers to then become leaders of other teachers and coordinators and trainers themselves?
Yeah. We have teachers, we have the supervisors, but we have the coordinators, and then me and there, and we've set platforms, WhatsApp platforms, for the coordinators, between us and the coordinators, and they are able to identify potential people who can be trained as teachers, and so some of them recommend, please, at the next TTW, can you consider these people from my area, and in that way, and then they themselves, we are grooming them. We are not growing any younger. We are not growing any younger, so we need people to also to take over from us. Absolutely. And so we kind of mentoring some of the coordinators so that they can also take over from us. Yeah.
And one of the things we also do each summer, every June and July, in some cases, in Tulsa we have what we call the International Literacy Training Institute, where we train literacy leaders, literacy coordinators. And so that's something that happens every year. If you're interested in taking that training in person, that's always a great option. And if other people are interested in getting involved as literacy leaders, sending them to that training is great. And being with other people that share the same vision is also inspiring and helps to give different ideas, kind of like we're sharing now. So we also do those trainings in different parts of the world, sometimes in Ghana. We did one in India last year. So you can check the website on the training tab and figure out where those institutes are taking place.
And then you apply. And of course, the online is there. The online program is there, and I recommend that. Try and get as many people as possible to join the online training. Those who have come to Tulsa this year have testified of the benefits that they have derived from joining the online course.